Action words. Look at the pictures and complete the answers. What are you doing, Veena? I am going to the market. What are you doing, Ramu? I am washing the clothes. What are you doing, Priya? I am skipping. What are you doing, Preeti? I am reading a story.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.